All right, Tim Green here from gutterleads.com. I've got Brock Moreland here. Moreland owns a roofing company in Columbus, Ohio. So we are going to pull some data from Columbus, Ohio for him. So first thing we want to do is find our roofing leads from April 2025. That's going to give us the most latest information. And of course, we only want homeowners. And we're in Ohio, so OH. And in Ohio, we have 32,840 people have searched or been to multiple roofing companies' websites. So these are high intent leads. This is not just raw homeowner data, what we're looking at right here, Brock. There's two different things we've talked about, the raw homeowner data and then the high intent data. This is specifically people that some of these people want their roof replaced. Not 100% of them, not 1% of them. It's somewhere between 1% and 100%. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. But a lot of these people, they want a roof, and a lot of these people are like, I have no clue what you're talking about when you call them. But for some reason or another, they have shown up that in their Google searches or on their website history, they are looking at roofing companies. Might have seen a roofing advertisement, thought it looked cool, and clicked on the website. Doesn't mean that they want a new roof. But there's 32,840, and you said you're in Columbus. Let's just check how many are specifically in Columbus, which is a fairly sized city, ain't it?
Yeah, it's not
Over a
bad.
million?
Yeah, I think it's something like that.
It's bigger than Austin, somebody told me the other day.
Oh, really? I don't know about that, but maybe.
Yeah, I didn't know either. It certainly ain't as famous, but
Hmm.
there's just not as many businesses there. So that's 2,354. If this were my list, what I would do is try to figure out like this zip code. I would find a zip code that's just outside of Columbus that's like a really nice high-end neighborhood, and I would pair that up with this. So this, I don't know anything about Columbus, Ohio. So you'll have to
Yeah,
bear
we just had a storm, so I'm thinking about maybe targeting in that area out that way.
okay. Can you give me some zip codes in that area where the storm was? And I would say we can take this 2,300 list right here, and then let's take another 2,500 from something else, and we'll throw them together, get you 5,000 right there. And then I always throw over just because there's so much data is going to be bad anyway. So if I give you 5,500, there's going to be 500 bad numbers in there, I'm sure, if not more than that. Data is never perfect and precise, but in large quantities, it makes up for it. April Roofing, Columbus. Okay. So we'll get that. And then you said you sent some zip codes and the face and the Zoom.
Yeah.
Okay. 146, that's a little better.
What is this? I don't understand.
Five zip codes.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, there's not that many people searching?
That's how many people search that they want a roof repair on those five zip codes.
Okay.
So then I would just take these zip codes.
Oh, and then you do
Yep.
different searches. Okay.
So
Oh, and then
these
you
are those specific zip codes that you're looking for. And then what I would do is I would filter this down a little bit. So homeowner, yes or no. That's going to go from 3,200 down to 2,300. So that took out a third of it. So business professionals tab, you're going to get this tab in there and you're going to get the roofing tab, right? So your business professionals is where you go to get business professionals. So I'll tell you a little secret. This is really people that have a LinkedIn account. So this is just people scraped off of LinkedIn and then thrown into this database that we've created. And you can go in here and tell, okay, that's great that they're a business professional. Now I need them to own a home. And what's that going to do? It's going to create a list of all kinds of people that have a job, that have an income, that have a house. Which what do we
mm,
want as a business professional? A homeowner that is a business professional, right? Ideally, we want executives, we want business owners, we want managers, we want directors. We don't want entry level sales clerk as our clients for $50,000 kitchen and bathroom models typically. So scraping through all of this, now we have all of their LinkedIn's, their emails, their cell phones. We have all the information. They're a business professional. Um, And then they're in this area. So how far away is this? This is 2,300.
That's 30 minutes just down the road.
Okay, so then this is good. So they had a storm there. So then yes, this is what you want to go after. 23 minutes away. Just had a storm. So now we'll have over 5,000 names that we can go to. 88 people in that list of the zip codes they gave me. They're also Columbus. So I'll go ahead and grab those for you too. Then I'll send you all four of these lists.